Welcome back to NAZ Today. My name is Michaela Richardson and I will be your student forecaster on this Monday afternoon. Now taking a look at our Flagstaff currently, we do have that outside temperature at about 48 degrees, but that wind at 33 miles per hour coming from the southwest, and our clear skies make it seem a little bit closer to 39 degrees. Now we are in a high wind warning, so make sure you keep an eye out for that throughout the rest of the day. Looking at the current satellite, we do have absolutely no cloud coverage in the state of Arizona, save for this little blip right here, which is pretty exciting. Now we do have our daily almanac today, looking at our temperature high of 51 degrees today and our low of 15. Now our averages for today are about 57 degrees as our high and 26 as our low. Now that is nowhere near our record high of 71 set in 1943 and our record low of 8 set in 1980. Looking at our precipitation for the day, yesterday we were seeing no inches given to us, but since January 1st we have had 16.26 inches, pretty far off from our average of 6.19 inches. Now our sunrise was at 6:11 this morning and our sunset will be at 6:50. Now speaking of sunsets, let's talk a little bit about our forecast low. Now our forecast low will be at 15 degrees tonight and we do have a 20% chance of snow and our high wind warning still in effect. So please keep an eye out for both of those dangers. Now like I said earlier, our sunset will be at 6:50 tonight and our sunrise tomorrow will be at 6:09. Now we will be seeing mostly sunny skies tomorrow and our forecast high of about 34 degrees. Now I do have good news for you. That is going to be the coldest day for the rest of the week, and we will be seeing a warming temperature going into the rest of the week and into the weekend, which I'll get into a little bit later. Now, as for right now, let's take a look at the forecast temperatures across northern Arizona. Payson, you will have that high of 46 degrees, low of 24. Show Low, you have a high of 38 with a low of 19. Tuba City, you're looking at a high of 43 degrees with a low of 24. Kingman, you have that high of 52 and a low of 31. Prescott, you have a high of 45 and a low of 23. And Phoenix, you're looking at a nice and warm 64 degrees as your high and a low of 42 degrees as your low. Now, like I said earlier, we do have a warming trend going into the rest of the week. Now, Tuesday, we do have a high of 34 degrees with a low of 11. Wednesday, we've got sunny skies with that high of 44 and a low of 19, getting a little warmer going into Thursday with some cloud coverage and a high of 51 with a low of 27. Friday and Saturday, you guys have sunny skies with a high of 60 on Friday with a low of 32 and a high of 63 on Saturday with a low of 35, which I think is astonishing because that low of 35 on Saturday is warmer than our high that we'll be getting tomorrow. Now, I can't wait to enjoy this warm weather. I don't know about you guys, but I am so excited that spring is finally coming around. But for now, make sure you stay tuned and look into our live broadcasts tomorrow and Wednesday, and make sure you stay updated on our social media pages as well. Have a great rest of your evening.